G'day, it's Michael here from Tech and Tools, and today we're going to be restoring this quite old and rusty claw hammer. I originally got this claw hammer from my father-in-law's. It was his father's, so my wife's um, grandfather. He's been gone quite a while. So I'm just going to give it a good clean up and get it back to looking decent, because I was entrusted with these tools. Because my wife's father didn't really have a need for them or want them. So I'm just going to get it back to its original condition. I'm going to start here with grinding off all the rust, and now moving on to just cleaning up that big burr at the end of the hitting surface of the hammer, which was quite burrowed over. And just cleaning up that face a little bit. And just putting in some leather here into my vise. And just getting inside that claw area, just cleaning up some of that rust. And just cleaning up and making it look really quite nice, this area here, because there was a lot of those grind marks still. Just trying to get rid of those, shine it up a little bit. I'm not going to do too much to this, because it doesn't really need much. Just cleaning up the back side of the claw area. Getting rid of the grind marks. Now I'm just using a bit of sort of dowel wood, like long wood here, just to wrap the sandpaper around, give me a bit more purchase on it, get nice sort of flat areas, a bit more control. Just doing a bit more finishing off now of the surface around the hammer. So I think I originally started with like a 120 or 180 grit, to get rid of most of the sort of scratches from the grinding process. And then next we'll be moving on to the handle. Alright, just starting off with the area of the handle that where it meets the actual claw hammer part, the metal part I should say, and just cleaning up this area here. Sorry about the shot. It's there we go, fixed it. So just give me a bit of a sand back, getting rid of any old marks. It's got a lot of black marks on it, obviously from dirty hands. Tidying up the base of the hammer. Just making it look pretty good. Now we're moving on. I've just used some basic raw linseed oil to help protect and coat the handle a bit. Trying to do things one-handed with holding a camera at the same time is rather difficult. But I love this stage. This step's lovely because you get to see the finish on the handle, how it'll come, all the grain of the wood, and it came up looking nice. I'm quite happy with it. So we put that on and let that sit for a bit, and then I'll just wipe the excess off. Let it soak in. You can see the nice sort of patterns of the grain there. I think it's hickory. Generally, a lot of hammers use hickory, but don't quote me on that. I'm no expert on wood. So there we go. And there's the finished product. Makes it a lot better, a million times better. So thank you for watching, subscribe, and see you next time.